Many people find rough stones and wonder if they are real diamonds or just ordinary crystals. While professional gemological tests are always the most accurate, there are several safe and simple home methods that can help you identify a rough diamond before going to a specialist. This guide explains step-by-step home tests you can do using common household tools. 1. Visual inspection, the first clue. Start by carefully observing the rough stone. What to look for? Rough diamonds usually have sharp edges, not smooth or rounded. The surface may look oily or greasy. Natural diamonds often have irregular crystal shapes, not perfect geometry. Look for tiny triangular or cubic faces. Fake stones often look too smooth or glass-like. #2. Water test. This is one of the easiest tests. How to do it. 1. Fill a glass with clean water. Drop the stone into the glass. Results. Real diamond, sinks immediately. Fake stone, floats or sinks slowly. Diamonds have a high density, which makes them sink fast. 3. Scratch test. Use with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. How to test. Try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. Results. Real diamond scratches the glass. Fake leaves no mark. Warning, many fake stones can scratch glass. This test alone is not conclusive. Number 4. Fog test, breath test. This quick test checks heat dispersion. How to do it. Breathe on the stone like fogging a mirror. Results. Real diamond. Fog disappears instantly. Fake. Fog stays for a few seconds. Diamonds disperse heat very quickly. 5. Magnification test. 10x loupe. Use a jeweler's loupe or magnifying glass. Look for natural inclusions or imperfections. Sharp, clean edges. No air bubbles. Bubbles indicate glass. Perfect clarity is often a sign of fake stones. 6. UV light test. If you have access to a UV light, results. Many real diamonds emit a blue glow. Some diamonds do not glow. This does not mean fake. Strong green or yellow glow often indicates imitation. 7. Heat resistance test. Diamonds resist heat extremely well. How to do it. 1. Heat the stone for about 30 seconds. 2. Drop it into cold water. Results. Real diamond, no damage. Fake may crack or shatter. Perform this test carefully and only if you accept the risk. 8. Transparency test. Place the stone over printed text. Results. Real diamond, text cannot be read clearly. Fake stone, text is visible. Diamonds refract light strongly. 9. Weight comparison. Diamonds are heavier than many look-alike stones. Cubic zirconia is heavier. Quartz is lighter. Use a digital scale for comparison. Tash common stones mistaken for rough diamonds. Quartz, topaz, zircon, cubic zirconia, glass. Important warning. Home tests do not guarantee 100% accuracy. Some advanced simulants pass several tests. Best confirmation methods. Diamond tester, thermal or electrical. Professional gemologist. Certified laboratory, GIA, IGI. Conclusion. Testing a rough diamond at home can help you eliminate obvious fakes and gain confidence before professional verification. By combining multiple tests, you increase your chances of identifying a real rough diamond. Never rely on one test alone.